Let's make kimchi today. Ever since I'm back from Korea, I've been craving kimchi, and today I'm going to try making kimchi. This is my first time. Let's see how it goes. I found this recipe on the internet. Let's see how it turns out. So here I have Napa cabbage. It's a Chinese cabbage. And we have some spring onions, some chopped garlic, some gochujang. I don't have gochugaru, so I'm using chili flakes. We have some fish sauce. I don't know if you need to add vinegar, but then I am going to add a little bit of vinegar and chili powder to top up the spice. Let's go. First things first, let's chop the vegetable. Chop it to the max close of the end. Okay, I think we reached the end, yes. Okay, this goes into compost, so we don't waste it. Okay, let's first wash the cabbage. Yeah, I'm putting it into a big bowl because we will need to salt the cabbage after this. That's one of the first steps that we followed. Okay, let's do some skincare for the cabbage. Massage, massage. We're going to salt the cabbage. Just have this mixed up a little bit so that the moisture is evenly removed. And there's also another way, or rather the main way to cut the cabbage. You basically cut the cabbage into half and make another quarter of it, and then have this entire salting of cabbage done, and then have all the sauces kind of marinated onto that. Well, I just thought this would be more easier for me to do, so I'm doing it this way, but that's actually the traditional way, I suppose. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So I let this sit for 1 to 2 hours. It's softened the cabbage. I'm just washing the cabbage to remove the excess salt, and I'm going to drain out the water. I forgot to mention in the start, you should also add pear to your ingredient, Indian pear. I'm going to add this pear into a mixie jar, some garlic, and a piece of ginger. I'm going to grind this into a paste. Okay, we've got our paste ready. I've got the paste ready. I'm going to empty this into bowl. I didn't add water while grinding this into a paste. Smooth. And I'm going to add some gochujang paste into this mix that we just made. The chili flakes, just putting in 1 pack of it. Some fish sauce, and some Kashmiri chili powder. As I mentioned earlier, I don't have gochugaru, so I'm using this. On second thoughts, I think I'm going to skip the vinegar because I didn't see any of the recipes that mentioned vinegar, so I'm going to skip vinegar and only use this paste to marinate my cabbage. So we drained off all the excess water. Yeah, I'm going to put this into a big bowl. Okay, as you see it's soft. I'm adding some spring onions to it. It's basically you need to add carrots or radish, it depends. I just put in some spring onion, and now let's add the sauce. I've got my gloves on because I'm going to give it a mix. Alan, you want to try it? Slowly, no, softly, gently. Wait, I'll just add this in. How does it smell? Awesome. Okay, see, look at me. Watch me do it. I'm just doing it very light and soft. Yeah? Why do you think we're wearing the gloves?
With the spice, like the heat. it might burn our hands because of the amount of gochujang.
Just move it around. Okay. Do you smell the spice?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're good. Okay, so we're done.
Wait. Let me taste it.
How's it spicy for you?
Yeah.
It's spicy for you.
Yeah, it is
It's
spicy.
just right for me though. Let me also take it.
It's nice.
I like it. I think I grew up in a little more spicy.
Nadu.
Nadu. Go for it.
This one's gonna finish the bowl right now.
Like it?
Very nice.
Really? Okay. But it's not as good as what you get in Korea for sure.
Yeah, it has to ferment.
It has to ferment.
Yeah.
It's not as good as what
The
you
flavor
get
needs
for sure.
to-
But for the first try, I think this is good. It's okay.
It's just set in.
Chariso. Yo, you have to clean the kitchen. You have to clean the kitchen. Not kinchana yo, unkinchana yo.